Hey, Scotsman, especially you A team out there. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. I hope you're practicing social distancing. It's no fun, but it's necessary. Keep the ones around us and keep our loved ones safe. I hope you're finding things to do that are fun and they're exciting. I hope you're finding new hobbies and using your time constructively. Build something, challenge yourself to do something you've never done before. Make new recipes. If you don't know how to cook, learn to cook. There's a lot of great things to do out there, and I hope you're experiencing a lot of them. I know it's been a challenge for me and my family, and the four of us stuck in a house together, but we're making it happen. We're doing some pretty cool stuff, and we're making the most of our day, and we're creating things, and it's been a lot of fun, and I hope you have that same blessing that we do. So stay healthy, stay happy, um, stay safe, practice that social distancing, and I hope to see you guys all pretty soon. I hope to be back and see everybody's face and engaged, and I hope to hear cool stories about the things that you do and the things that you accomplish in the extra time that we have. So take care of yourselves and see you soon. Go Plaid!